Today I want to show you devil eye rings in my collection, both in silver and gold color. Here we go. I'm going to show you in detail. This is one design. You can see the eye in here. This is a bit smaller than the other one. I will show you. The material is stainless steel. I have them in different sizes. Is for all gender. I sell them actually for both girls and boys, and they are super happy. You can wash them, you can take shower, and this is high quality with very reasonable price. Is available on my website and you can make it yours right now. The availability of the size for this ring is from size 3 to size 9, and good news is that I have it in gold also. As you see, is 18 karat gold filled on stainless steel, and you still can wash it in gold as well, but it has guarantee for 18 months. And yeah, this is very nice design if you are a fan of signet ring, and you can have in based on what size you have, you can have it on for each finger you wish for. This is the gold one with the eye, signet ring, stainless steel. You can see my name in it, engraved Maral. So yeah, that's one of my best-selling one in my jewelry collection. It's really cool. You can combine with some other rings if you want. This one is in silver color. You can see my name on it. Yep. And then yeah,